Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing a yes oh yes unbagging. So if you guys want to see what is inside of the bag, then keep watching. Hi, it's Editing Kristen. I'm gonna throw this in before the video starts, but I just wanted to let you know that I am going to be canceling my Yes Oh Yes subscription because I found out some really sketchy things about the company and I'm just not comfortable with receiving boxes from them, and I'm not comfortable with you guys signing up through my link. So I'm cutting like all ties with them, my affiliate code, everything. I am so sorry that I'm just finding out about this now a year later. I'm really sorry. I feel so stupid for promoting this like super sketchy brand to you guys. I'll leave videos down below that kind of help me decide on canceling. I was thinking about canceling for a while, but these videos like really made me want to cancel. So I'm so sorry if you signed up through my link or signed up because of me. I would recommend canceling as well because they are really sketchy sounding and I just don't trust them. So like I said, I am so sorry and I really apologize. Let me know in the comments down below of other subscription services that you like, because I really do like getting a subscription and I would really like to keep getting one, but Yes Oh Yes is just not it. Like I said, I'm so sorry and I hope you can forgive me, and here's the rest of the video. So if you don't know what Yes Oh Yes is, it is a monthly subscription service that is $14.99 a month, and you get 3 to 7 full-sized items every single month. One of those items is always a palette of some sort. Most of the time it is an eyeshadow palette, which is really cool because normally an eyeshadow palette is about $14.99 or up. Also, this video is going to be a little bit different than my past Yes Oh Yes unbaggings or unboxings, because normally I would do a review of the previous months, but honestly I don't want to do that anymore because I feel so rushed to try out all the products and I'm not just enjoying them anymore. So I don't think I'm going to be doing the reviews that much anymore. Just stick to the unbaggings. But if you have any questions about any of the products, you can always ask me in the comments down below, and I'll link my previous unbagging down below if you guys want to check it out. So this is the July bag. This actually is different than what they normally come in. They normally are in a like black envelope or even like a holographic like pinky one. So I don't know why they switched it up this month. We always get a card, and the theme for this month is Reach for the Stars. It's super cute. And then on the back it just says never pay for full-size makeup, and you can receive a free gift if you complete 4 consecutive months, but you have to email them, and I always forget to email them. So yeah. And this month's total savings is 89% off retail. I will put all the prices of all the products on the screen if you guys are curious of anything, and everything will be linked down below as usual. The first product we have here is the Sorme Nonstop Liquid Lipstick in the shade Delight. This shade is really pretty looking. It's just a nude. I really like nudes. I'm going to warn you guys now that I'm not going to be able to find the price of this because I can never find the price of Sorme, because you have to go to either a store or I guess even like a salon that specifically sells Sorme products, which is kind of annoying that I can never find the prices. But this I might be able to. The brushes I can never find prices of. But this is a swatch. Really nice color. I'm definitely excited to wear this. It kind of smells weird, and I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but it smells like something from my childhood, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Next we have this Bodyography Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Deep Violet. Really excited for this color because we always get green and I don't know why, but ooh, this is gorgeous. I'm very excited for this. I love purple eyeliners and I love putting them in the waterline just because I feel like they just make my eyes pop because I have brown eyes, and I I love them. Next is this Double Dare 4 HD Sleek Eyeliner. So this is the one downside to Yas Unbagging is that you will get 2 eyeliners sometimes, you will get 2 lip products sometimes. I don't really get why they do that. I don't know. This is weird looking. It's just black. I don't really know if I like the packaging. I kept seeing pictures of this and I wanted to know so badly what it was, and I'm really excited that I know what it is now. But the packaging is definitely weird and it's not really like comfortable to hold, but definitely gonna play around with it. It is a really like nice matte deep black eyeliner. I just don't like the packaging. Next up we have the Timeless Beauty Bar Up in the Clouds Sheet Mask. This looks really nice. It says that it's hydrating and refreshing. It feels cool, refreshed, and luxurious. Best for frequent flyers. And the benefits are intensely hydrating, rejuvenating, plumping, and nourishing. So I'm excited for this. I love a good sheet mask, so that's always fun. And the last product is the palette, and it is the Annette 69 and Beauty Creations palette. This palette is bigger than I expected, so these shades look really pretty. Like really pretty. I like that there are some neutrals and there are some pops of color. These are all glitter shades, so I'm really excited to swatch these. I'm going to swatch some of the shades for you guys. I'm going to do Leo, I'm going to do Boss, Muffin, and then I'll do Believe, which is one of the glitters. So first here we have Leo, which is really pretty. That's really pretty. Then we have Boss, which is really light, but I feel like if you work with it, it'll work better. Then we have Muffin, which isn't just like a nice purpley brown shade. Plum is another way you could describe that. And then Believe, which is one of the glitters. And the glitters are a little gritty feeling. It's right there. It's a little gritty feeling, but they feel better than the one that's in the Aphrodite palette or Athena palette from Bad Habit. This is the one with the glitter shade. This one, I don't know, they just do feel a little bit different. I'll swatch it. Let's see if there's like any differences. No, they're actually both like really dry and glittery. So I'm excited for this palette. I will definitely be doing tutorials with it. Definitely won't be using the 2 blues because I've learned recently that blue shades just don't work for me. I mean, Fire is like a gorgeous navy. So pretty, but I just won't be using them because every time I play with the glitter, they don't come out. I mean, every time I play with the blue, they don't look good. And that is it for this month's Yas Unbagging. Tell me in the comments down below what you think of this month's bag. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you want to sign up to get next month's bag? Let's chat in the comments down below. I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say. I always love to hear what you guys have to say about subscriptions because everyone's opinion is always different. So let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media as well. There's always links down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Because if you leave a comment or if you're following me on all my social media, that is a way you can get a shout out in my next video. Make sure you're following me on Twitter because I always have tweets that say retweet for a shout out. So pay attention for those. And on Instagram, I always have either a caption or in my stories, I'll say comment for a shout out or I'll ask a question. And if you answer the question as like the caption on my picture, that can get you a shout out in my next video. So make sure you're following me on all my social media. This week's shout out is right here. All their info will be linked down below. Thank you so much for your support. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.